Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Vanguard crash report. It's easy. If you want to fix this problem, all you have to do, click here, type task manager, and now scroll down until you find here Vanguard. Scroll until you find it and then end it, and if you can't find it, then just close the task manager and go to services, and now after that right click on it, click properties, now click automatic and then click start, and now just click apply and OK, and then restart your PC. Don't forget to restart your PC. That's it. Then just right click and run Valorant and as administrator. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.